Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at the Discovery 2 again, the one that we've done, cut all the rot out of and put some fresh steel back in there to save it from a scrapper again. So we'll show you that and show you what we've done and took the tank out. So we've put fresh metal all in the back quarter of the chassis there, painted it up. We got these bolts out which was stuck in there by heating that up as hot as we could get it, then smashing the bolts that we've cut off. If you've seen in the last video, we cut them off to get the tow bar off, and we've hammered them out. So then we're absolutely stuck in there. I think what had happened was the rot had got into the frame and it had run into the bottom of these because they aren't just holes. Oh, actually they have got cylinders through there, but yeah. So we've got them out anyway. We've put all the fresh metal in there, and then we're going to put the tank back in. It's just held in with a strap at the bottom, well, a guard, tank guard, 4 bolts. So we're going to whip that up inside there and then connect everything up that we need to connect. Up there are your connections that go onto the tank, which you do through the carpet from the inside. So we'll connect them with the wire there. But yeah, it's just get in there. We'll cut that off straight, scrape as much as we can off there and paint them as well. That's the connection to the tank filler there. That's a breather up there, and there's one on the other side. That's the tank strap that goes on the top. You don't need to loosen that to get it off. But yeah, we'll get this put up and then we'll come back to you. This was completely rotted off. This is the front cross member. So we've took that off because it's completely rotted. It would have been across and have another one of them on the other side, but that has completely fell off and rotted off. So that's gone off. I mean, it looks really good there, don't it? Look at that.
It's solid.
And then there, not so solid. So we've cut that off as well. And now we're going to get the tank and chuck it in this hole up there. And we've painted all around it, as you can see, mod as well. Paint where your car gets to when the tank's back in. So here we go, tank time. Oh. Tank time. The tank is empty. So it's light-ish. And it has to go up and sit on the...
hang on. Hold on.
I'm holding.
I know, this pipe's on the side of this bracket.
And come back out. Yeah. It's got to go up and sit on the chassis.
Let's see where they go. That one goes to there. That one goes to there.
And up like that. And then, I've got it now. Then we get the, there we get that guard. That's all that holds the tank up. I'm using the correct technique here.
This ends the nut. There's 2 little nuts there.
Oh no.
Let's put these on the back first.
You sure about this?
It's got to go way down that way. More.
Are you sure this is the right way around? I've got it again. Sure that's the right way around? I got to go the other way.
We try it. It's...
Yeah, it goes that way.
Of course it works. The lights are blinding me. Blinded.
There, that one. Right by my thumb.
It's
It's on the bottom, not on the top. You got it?
Yeah.
Right, we're going to screw these up here. Hope that ain't looking directly in my ear hole.
Straight through the other side, you should be able to see the bolt. Another one.
Another one. Didn't see anything. Oh.
Fancy cameraman,
I've got them two there.
Maybe there's them little bolts in there, nuts and bolts.
And then we've got these ones to go over here.
Before we tighten all this up, I think we should check everything's in place. Pipe work.
Okay. I'm just gonna put this one in loosely then and then. So what I'm saying. Okay, so let me that's the other one to get on the other side. You have to put a spanner to tighten the spanner in there where he's putting his fingers right there.
Ready? Well, we put that in there. We'll come back to that.
Okay. Next thing to do before we tighten it all up is get this pipe on there, the filler, and we've got this pipe here that's got to go on there, which seems a wick too short for some reason.
Too short?
Why is it too short? Oh, it's, when the filler comes over there it'll be the right length. So I'm just going to get a bit of spray to put on there. Have we got any spray? Where's the GTX? Oh, there it is. We've got ourselves a stick to support. Put a bit of spray on it. And then I'll leave. But now we've found, we was just putting some covers over these, just putting some rubber boots over these to keep the crap out of them, and we found a hole here. So we're going to have to weld this wheel arch up as well, which we were expecting, but that's just another job that's got to be done. So we'll cut any of that out and weld over it, and then we'll have a look on the other side as well and see if there's anything over there. So this is the other side, and as you can see, it's in the same condition. So we don't expect none of that. We don't poke about in that area, unfortunately.
No.
But yet more rust. Oh, hole down there as well. I've seen that one, but that's just a mudguard mount.
Yeah.
Just a little mudguard, as long as behind it's okay. We had one that went there, look. Oh no. Poke that. That's alright, like that.
Yeah.
That bit's okay. So it
That's
looks like
a mount, ain't it, that one? Right by there.
Yeah. It looks like it's this bit and the same on the other side as well. Chassis looks alright this end now.
Yeah, and this is the other boot we've got to do. That's
We'll cover that one as well.
that one's got a split in it. Yeah,
That's it then. So more welding, more Land Rovers, more problems. So we'll get that done. Like I said before, it's got 4 months MOT, so we paid a bit more for it than we should now. We've seen all this rust, but when they've got MOT on it, they can ask more for them. So we'll get it done. Right, the rust I pointed out earlier on this side has now been done. Cut all the rust out, treated it, made it look good. Well, not made it look good underneath because it don't make a difference, but it's all gone anyway. And then we've cut an entire patch out to weld over the entire thing just to make sure that it's solid, because welding little patches here and there looks horrendous. So we've just gone over the whole thing, make sure it's nice and solid. So that's all welded in there, good. So that's all sorted. We've got the other side to do, as you know. We're going to paint this caliper here, make that look nice, get that wheel on, and that side should be done. and then we've got that side to do, which is made out of cardboard at the moment. So under there, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to cut that out across there, get rid of all that nastiness, grind that down there, make sure it's all gone, and then weld over the top of it. Make sure the carpet's out the way on the inside, else you'll be setting fire to that. So we put like a fire retardant thing down the back of it to stop it setting fire to anything, but we also pull the carpet back. So we'll weld over that, and then hopefully it can go for its MOT and everything will be fine. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.